Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 13.3.9 and we are going to look at local firewall settings. So our main task in this lab is to turn on the Windows firewall for public network profile only, and we're also going to allow the following additional services through the firewall for the public network profile only, and we'll look at key management service, cloud identity, file and printer sharing. And to turn on firewall, in the settings app, we're going to select privacy and security, then Windows security, select firewall and network protection, then turn firewall on. I think those are the major tasks that we'll be looking at in this. Okay. So let's see if there's any other thing that we missed. Let's see, allow the following additional service through the firewall for public network. All right, so that is all we need to do. Let's go ahead and start up. We'll go to Start menu. We want to go into Settings. And when you get into Settings, you want to look at Privacy and Security. And from there, you want to locate Windows security and firewall and network protection. So we want to go over and let's see, turn this on. And allow app through firewall. We'll go to change settings and let's see, cloud identity. So for that, we're gonna check this. And I also want to go ahead and check this. File and sharing is checked. So we'll check this and we'll go ahead and click OK. So let's see how we do. Alright, so everything seems correct. If you find this video to be helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need further assistance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership so that you get extra hands. Alright, and if you want to reach me, you can reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.